Imagine a world where luxury doesn't just live inside palaces, it rides on wheels. A world where speed meets royalty, where engineering meets imagination, and where a supercar transforms into a 5-star mansion. Welcome back to Auto Viralz, the channel where we don't just show vehicles, we open the doors to dreams on wheels. Our aaj ki video, ye koi normal review nahi. Aaj hum aapko le ja rahe hain is gaadi ke andar. Jo duniya ki sabs crazy, sabs shocking, our sabs expensive wheel mansion ban chuki high, the $15 million Bugatti Chiron Camper. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, our camper, ek high sentence mind. Ye wo combination high jisko deck car duniya ki luxury industry ka heartbeat ruk gaya da. Agar op sak the k Bugatti Chiron surf ek hypercar high, to aaj op ka ye concept tutna wala high. Kian kiss beast nay apni speed, power our beauty ko ek nay dimension mind badal dia high. Ek ic duniya, jahan op 300 plus mph ki top tier engineering k sathi k multiroom mansion ka amaza b la sakti hain. Yani road par Chiron, our Rukain to royal suite. Isse ziada VIP life our kya hogi. Imagine Karain, Riyadh ka time, op highway par flight ki tara glide car rahi hain, Bugatti K quad turbo W16 engine ki awaz hawa ko cheer rahi high. Fear ek moment ada high, jahan op decide kart hain k ba, ab luxury mode on. Op ek button press kart hain, hypercar dear transform hodi high, body panel shift hod hain, aerodynamic lines stretch hodi hain, our ek few seconds mine Chiron ek millionaires mansion camper ban jada high. Ye koi sci-fi movie nahi, ye real technology high. Ic engineering dunia mine pali bar dekna ko mil rahi high. Is camper ka interior koi normal luxury interior nahi. Ye wo jaga high jahan rich log opni business deals finalize kart hain, jahan world tour hoda hay, jahan privacy, comfort our power ek high jaga milti hain. Italian leather walls, French crystal lighting, smart glass windows, and a bed that feels like you're sleeping inside a cloud. Op jahan park karo, wohi op ka $15 million ka hotel. Ba sak car deco, Bugatti ki speed our royal mansion ka comfort, ek high machine mine. Yani royalty on the road, op k liye hum is video mine la car I hain ek complete VIP experience. Hum op ko dikayanj k ye Chiron camper k's transform hoda hay, k's ye automated motors use car to high, k's interior expand hoda hay, k's roof raise hodi high, our k's side panels cool car ek full-size living space ban jate hain. Ye wo moment hoda hay jahan log literally shocked ray jate hain. Kian k dunia k richest log b is level key engineering expect nahi car. Socho, ek hypercar jism off dinner table b set car sakti ho, ek private lounge b ban a sakti ho our ek spa like washroom b use car sakti ho. The world's fastest mansion, rolling on 4 wheels. That's the kind of madness only Bugatti can do. Our is say bada madness ye k ye limited edition high, surf ultra rich, multi-millionaire clients high is masterpiece ko afford car sakti hain. Iska price tag, $15 million, ye surf vehicle ka price nahi. Ye ek lifestyle ka price high, ye ek statement high, ye dunia ko batata high k op luxury k next level par ho. Is video mine hum op ko ye b batayanj k Bugatti nay as project ko k's design kia, con c advanced materials use key, k's isni lightweight engineering our robotic expansion system ko integrate kia, our k's is camper ko hypercar k's safety standard k soft maintain kia gaya. Kian k Bugatti car rule simple high, power compromise nahi hodi. Our jab camper banta high, tab b speed ka dna ways ka wasa reda high. Aaj Auto Viralz par hum op ko ek ic creation k andar la car ya rahi hain jo dunia ko hila chuki high. Ye surf vehicle nahi, ye ego. Booster high, ye surf design nahi, ye future ka taste high. Ye surf mansion nahi, ye moving kingdom high. To agar op luxury, engineering, technology, our next level innovation dekna chat hain, to video ko en tak zaror dekna. Kian k aaj op dekna whale hain dunia ka sabs insane, sabs royal, our sabs expensive wheeled palace, the Bugatti Chiron Camper. Welcome to the future of millionaire travel, welcome to Auto Viralz. Imagine a world where luxury doesn't just live inside palaces, it rides on wheels. A world where speed meets royalty, where engineering meets imagination, and where a supercar transforms into a 5-star mansion. Welcome back to Auto Viralz, the channel where we don't just show vehicles, we open the doors to dreams on wheels. Aur aaj ki video, ye koi normal review nahi. Aaj hum aapko le ja rahe hain is gaadi ke andar, jo duniya ki sabs crazy, sabs shocking, aur sabs expensive wheel mansion ban chuki hai, the $15 million Bugatti Chiron Camper. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, aur camper, ek high sentence mine. Ye wo combination hai jisko dek car duniya ki luxury industry ka heartbeat ruk gaya da. Agar aap sak the ke Bugatti Chiron surf ek hypercar hai, to aaj aap ka ye concept tutna wala hai. Kian kiss beast ne apni speed, power our beauty ko ek ne dimension mine badal dia hai. Ek isi duniya, jahan aap 300 plus mph ki top tier engineering ke sathi ke multiroom mansion ka amaza bi la sakti hain. Yani road par Chiron, aur rukain to royal suite. Isse ziada VIP life aur kya hogi. Imagine Karain, Riyadh ka time, op highway par flight ki tara glide car rahi hain, Bugatti K quad turbo W16 engine ki awaz hawa ko cheer rahi hai. Fear ek moment ada hai, jahan op decide kart hain ke ba, ab luxury mode on. Op ek button press kart hain, hypercar dear transform hodi hai, body panels shift hod hain, aerodynamic lines stretch hodi hain, aur ek few seconds mine Chiron ek millionaire's mansion